today's topic is fluid friction.
Now recall frictional force. Whenever a solid object moves over some solid surface, frictional force, that is solid friction, comes into play. This force opposes the relative motion between the two surfaces in contact. Suppose this is the ground, that is solid surface, and suppose this is an object, this is also solid and lower surface. Lower surface of this solid. Okay. Suppose force is applied on it like F. It's tried to move towards its motion, but there is a same force F will act on the contact point. This is called the frictional force. Okay. Fluid friction or drag. Air and liquid are collectively called fluid because both don't have any definite shape. Air and liquid also opposes the object motion when the object moves through it. Suppose an aeroplane is moving through air, its motion towards right and the air opposes its motion. If F is force applied to move aeroplane, the liquid frictional force F also opposes the motion of aeroplane. Now, what is fluid friction? Air, water and other liquids also exert a force of friction when objects move through them. This is called fluid friction. The force of liquid friction on an object in a liquid or fluid depends on the nature of the liquid. The thicker the liquid, that means thickness more, higher the liquid friction. As for example, honey is more thicker than water. Hence, there is more friction in honey as compared to water. Number 2, shape of the moving object. The body of an object which has a streamlined shape feels comparatively less dragging than other shapes and can cut through fluid effortlessly. Okay. As for example, a car has less dragging than a bus because a car has streamlined shape. Bus do not have now what is streamlined shape? A special shape which has similarities to the shape of fish or to the shape of a bird that lowers the frictional force, that is drag, between a fluid and an object moving through that fluid. Number 3. Speed of the moving object. Decreasing the speed of the body will decrease the drag. As for example, vehicle traveling at 100 meter per hour will have more drag than that of a vehicle traveling at 50 meter per hour.